If you're looking for the best foot creams, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Eucerin Advanced Repair Foot Cream. When you want to nourish your feet without breaking the bank, reach for this foot cream. Its ability to deeply hydrate, thanks to ceramides, while also breaking down rough or callous skin has earned its fan-favorite status. It's also a favorite of Dr. Shah due to its ability to hydrate and smooth dry, rough feet. This cream is formulated with ceramide-3 and natural moisturizing factors that enhance the skin barrier, and it's fragrance-free, making it great for sensitive skin. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Birchbees Coconut Foot Cream. Hear us out. While the Burt's Bee Lip Balm may have a permanent spot in your bag, you'll be pleasantly surprised with their foot cream. Formulated with a mixture of coconut and olive oils, its consistency is thick yet feels more like a balm, allowing it to give a hefty dose of moisture with each use. And its light, refreshing scent of peppermint and rosemary only adds to its appeal. The number 3 position is held by Elemis Treat Your Feet Foot Cream. Eliminate dry, rough heels, calluses, and more with this foot cream from Elemis. Its formula packs a punch with shea butter and jojoba oil to moisturize and keep your feet feeling ultra soft. The best part, only a small amount of product is needed with each use, so it'll last you quite a while. Fragrance with a blend of patchouli, eucalyptus, and lemon oils, it leaves a delicious yet not overpowering scent. Next at number 4, we have AmLactin Foot Repair Foot Cream Therapy. Knock out pesky calluses with this foot cream from AmLactin. Its formula helps heal any calluses, splits, and cracks with just a tiny bit of product. Another bonus, its formula is non-greasy and fragrance-free, making it ideal for use on everyone and avoiding sliding all around your house. Dr. Shah is also a fan of this cream as it contains lactic acid to help moisturize and exfoliate. The number 5 position is held by Baby Foot Original Exfoliation Foot Peel. For a foot that feels as soft as a baby, put on these foot masks from Baby Foot. With each use, it'll use a whole slew of ahas, like glycolic and lactic acids to exfoliate every inch of dead skin off of your entire foot. Yes, entire. 2. It may look like an ordinary foot mask when you first put it on, but for 48 hours after you apply it, you'll watch your entire foot peel. The results? Feet that look renewed and feel ultra soft. The number 6 position is dominated by Dr. Bronners Arnica Menthol Balm. While this multi-purpose balm can be used on just about everything, we love how well it works for soothing sore feet. Its infusion of hydrating ingredients, think beeswax, avocado, jojoba, and hemp oils alone make it worth it. But the blend of arnica, camphor, menthol, and peppermint oils are what truly works the magic. For some extra pampering, soak your feet in the tub before applying on. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Aquaphor Healing Ointment. Confession: applying moisturizer to your feet while having blisters is not fun by any means, but you can rest assured knowing that this cream from Aquaphor will help heal them. Although it's not specifically intended for feet, Dr. Shah advises that this cream is a staple for most dermatologists, especially at healing really dry areas. It combines petrolatum jelly with panthenol, glycerin, and bisabolol, he says. And with the added healing and moisturizing benefits, your blisters will be gone before you know it. The number 8 position is held by Cerave Soft Foot Cream. With all the dry skin on our feet, it's no surprise that exfoliation is necessary. Make the process a bit less tedious by incorporating an exfoliating foot cream like this one from Cerave. It contains salicylic acid and other exfoliants to help smoothen skin on the feet, explains Dr. Shah. And we'd be remiss to mention that it's also moisturizing, affordably priced, and made with a gentle, non-irritating formula. Finally, the number 9 position is dominated by J.R. Watkins Foot Repair Salve. If you're looking for a foot cream that's made with all natural ingredients, opt for this one from J.R. Watkins. Packed with rich ingredients like olive oil, beeswax, and candelilla, a type of flower wax, it'll keep feet hydrated long after you apply it. Another bonus, it's housed in a tin that's super easy to take on the go or in your suitcase. Warm it up in your hands before you apply it so it goes on super smoothly. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.